There has been a sharp increase in fraudulent efforts. The U.S. Immigration Agency has raised serious concerns about the H1B visa lottery system. According to authorities, some companies are manipulating the system to gain an unfair advantage. There are applicants whose names have been submitted by multiple companies, and that artificially boosts their chances of winning a visa. It's like trying to win the lottery by buying 1,000 tickets instead of one. It's been found that there were 780,884 applicants for H1B visas in this year's computer-generated lottery, 61% more than last year.
Behind the scenes of an H1B visa case, scary NOID. Notice disclaimer. This is a story reconstructed for educational purposes only. In the vast world of U.S. immigration, numerous tales of hope, dreams, and sometimes disappointment come to life. Today we'll delve into one such gripping story. This is the story of Vijay, pseudonym used here, a skilled IT professional from India, and his journey through the complex corridors of the H1B visa process, which unexpectedly led him to a NOID notice. Welcome to an educational journey about the H1B visa, the NOID notice, and the ensuing chaos and triumph. In 2023, Vijay's employers at XYZ Corp, a software company in the USA, filed 15 H1B registrations for Vijay. It seemed unusual, but they had hopes that at least one application would make it through the random selection process. In 2024, news came from USCIS that his H1B was approved. The joy, however, was short-lived. Unexpectedly, Vijay received a notice of intent to deny or NOID from USCIS. The notice stated that his H1B visa approval was under review due to suspicion of multiple filings, which is a clear violation of the regulations. Vijay and his employer were taken aback. Was this a case of immigration fraud? What were the consequences? And importantly, could this be rectified? A NOID is not an outright denial. It indicates a potential denial, providing the applicant with an opportunity to present additional evidence or argument that may influence the USCIS's decision. In Vijay's case, he had to prove that there was no collusion or fraudulent intent involved with the multiple filings. Vijay consulted an experienced immigration attorney. With their help, Vijay responded to the NOID by providing a well-documented response showing the lack of any fraudulent intent and that the multiple registrations were due to an administrative error. The next 30 days were a nerve-wracking period of wait for Vijay. Finally, the decision arrived. Based on the strong evidence provided of all the 15 applications, USCIS decided to proceed with his H1B approval. Vijay could continue his journey in the USA, a journey almost derailed by a NOID notice. Vijay's story sheds light on the intricacies of the H1B visa process. It serves as a reminder that while the USCIS can make mistakes, it's always essential to follow the rules and maintain transparency. Any indication of suspicious activity can lead to an investigation and potentially a NOID, and while it can be fought, it's a situation best avoided. So stay informed, stay legal, and continue reaching for your American dream. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating stories from the world of U.S. immigration. Until then, stay tuned, stay curious.